I get lost in you, and you're the sky I'm falling through, the clouds to the ground. Won't you catch me now? Two roads converge, now they move forward.
我哋一早咧就去食賣雲吞麵同賣豬手嘅餐廳啦。呢間嘢好出名嘅，見到咁多人排隊就知啦。跟住咧係十分好食嘅，我覺得。
辣椒，有
跟住咧見到有奶茶買咧，即刻買咗嚟飲啦，因為勁好飲咯，我覺得。同埋佢個包裝好得意嘅。跟住咧，我哋就去呢個水門白金嗰度行街啦。入邊有啲類似旺角中心嘅感覺啦，好多嘢賣嘅，啲衫啊、首飾啊，全部都好平啊，價錢。勁多嘢睇啦，一齊睇。
呢度咧211咯，或者港紙。
係咯，咁你呢個咪
係200咯。
冇百幾。
You need a man that thinks it's right when it's so wrong tonight. Yeah, baby, tonight. Yeah, baby. Right on the limits where you know we both belong tonight. Yeah.
我想講今日36度咯。
最貴嗰個商場啊
，35度啊嘛。國安檢搞嘢。咁咧，跟住我哋就去咗CM嗰邊行街啦。咁佢就係一個好大嘅商場嚟嘅。咁佢都分咗好多嘅 area 啦。咁亦都係泰國屬於比較高級嘅商場。咁咧，跟住我哋就去咗呢個 CM Centre 嗰度行下，同埋去食甜品啦。頂好晒啊！眼都擘唔大喎。幾經辛苦，終於揾到呢間嘢。我哋行錯咗好多路先揾到佢。
Woke up on the right side of the bed. What's up with this Prince song inside my head? Hands up if you're down to get down tonight. 'Cause it's always a good time. Slept in all my clothes like I didn't care. Hopped into a cab, take me anywhere. I'm in if you're down to get down tonight. 'Cause it's always a good time. Good morning.
我覺得呢間嘢好抵食啦，同埋個環境好靚啦，好舒服啦，同埋呢，佢啲嘢食都係好好食嘅，圍返港紙大約70幾蚊一個人啦，一個 set lunch， 所以我覺得幾好。
好高級，播啲貴婦音樂。
跟住呢，我哋就去咗 Terminal 21嗰度行街啦。呢個商場呢，好特別嘅，佢每一層都有唔同國家嘅主題啦，例如日本啊、倫敦啊諸如此類啦。咁記住去埋佢哋嘅廁所啦，因為佢哋嘅廁所都係好特別嘅，都係有唔同嘅主題嘅。其實呢，我覺得呢個商場冇乜嘢買嘅，不過我覺得佢呢個商場好特別啦，有好多嘢可以影喎，即係純粹為影相嘅啫。안녕하세요。
好細咯，又。
So hard moving on. This'll be the last one. How many times can I say that you broke me in every way? Does it live to prove here?
係啊，個碗又大喎，都未咁搞。得佢喎，即係喺入邊㗎。
我哋行完呢個商場之後呢，都差唔多8點幾啦，咁就返酒店附近嗰度做按摩啦。佢哋啲按摩真係好正，同埋係好舒服又平喎，所以有機會一定要去按下摩啦。同埋喺呢3日裏邊呢，買咗勁多嘢啦，呢度全部都係我嘅喺呢3日裏邊，所以就都有啲多。我哋又去咗琴日嗰個商場叫
白金
Pantheon 白金商場，跟住又琴晚又去咗，又係一樣去揼骨咯，同一間，但係今次琴日揼全身咁，上次揼腳，跟住而家咧就差唔多去酒店。
喂，而家碧斯買埋嘢先，再買多次嘢。
Look at this photograph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? And what the hell is on Joey's head? This is where I grew up. I think the president ought to fix it up. I never knew we'd ever win.
頭先做埋最後嘅衝刺買埋啲嘢，用埋啲錢咧，而家就搭的士翻去。
係，其實好唔捨得泰國咯，咁快就走，同埋啲嘢就太平啦。即係你翻香港咧，先發覺香港食碗粉都要10幾20蚊。
我哋最平食碗粉4蚊。
4蚊，香港只4蚊。呢4蚊啊，我搭一架小巴都冇咗啦。
其實我哋所有篋都爆晒啦，連 hand carry 嗰啲都係過咗7 kilo 嘅，所以咧我哋係偷偷地咧 hand carry 嗰啲咧係超過咗7 kilo 咯，但係冇事，好彩冇俾人捉到啫。
Be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between.